In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz in Kajabi. If you're looking to enhance your course offerings or just quiz your audience for fun, you're in the right place. We will walk through each step clearly so you can follow along and set up your quiz with ease. First, let's get started by logging into your Kajabi account. This is your central hub where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar and click on Products. This is where all of your existing content is managed, and it's where we'll begin setting up your quiz. Now, locate and select Courses. This option is where most online educational content is hosted. It's a good idea here to have a course in mind where you'd like to insert your quiz, or you can create a new one if needed. Following that, you should see an option that says Choose Course. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select from your course list. Select the course where you want to add a quiz. With your course open, look for a button that says Add Content. Clicking this will give you various additions you can make to your course. And for our purpose today, you'll want to select Quiz. This is a powerful tool Kajabi offers to test your users' understanding of the course material. Next, it's time to type in your first question. Think about what you want to assess and write a question that effectively covers that topic. After typing your question using the arrows, you can reorder this question among others if you plan to have multiple. Now, in the provided space, type option 1. This will be the first potential answer that quiz takers can choose. You can keep adding questions and options as much as you like, ensuring your quiz covers all necessary areas. Once you are satisfied with your questions and answers, don't forget to save your progress. Click on Save to ensure all your work isn't lost. Afterwards, you may see a prompt asking you to confirm your actions. Click Got it to proceed. Now, it's crucial to test your quiz. Navigate to the Settings menu and select Preview. This allows you to take the quiz yourself as if you were a student. Go through the questions, answer them, and see how the quiz functions from a user's perspective. If you're happy with everything, finalize your answers by clicking Yes, Submit. This submission mimics the action your students will take, and you'll subsequently receive confirmation that everything has been recorded properly. And there you have it. Your quiz is now fully integrated into your course, ready for your learners to tackle. Whether for assessment or engagement, quizzes are a terrific way to elevate your Kajabi offerings. Thanks for following along and happy teaching.